Thanks for tuning in. We've got a lot going on and we can't wait to tell you about it. In the Loop starts now. Don't forget about the Christmas Visa card drawing. The pledge is $45 a month through December. Ladies, join Us Girls Women's Ministry for a Joyce Meyer event at the end of September. The event is Thursday the 26th through Saturday the 28th. For more information, check out the flyer at Connecting Point in Cafe 316 or contact Melissa Wheeler. The Bible says that a good pastor is worthy of double honor. Do you know who your church pastors are? Obviously, there's Senior Pastor Mike Fowler and his wife, Dr. June Fowler, but there's also our worship pastor, Pastor April Bell, our youth pastor, Randy Wheeler, and his wife, Melissa Wheeler, our children's pastor, Donna Davis, and our seniors pastor, Margaret McCoy. Coming up in October is Pastor Appreciation Month, so get ready to bless these amazing pastors. Also coming up in October is 2013's annual barbecue fundraiser and fall festival on Saturday, October 19th. It's the best barbecue and the most fun you'll have this side of the Mason-Dixon line. More details are on the way. To find out how you can help, contact Anita House. Power Zone Kids has joined with community partners to help raise money. Stevie B's has offered a great way for members to connect outside of church. Word of Faith's Family Day is the last Sunday of every month from noon to 9 p.m. at Stevie B's in Buford, Georgia. It's a great way to get to know other people at the church and also help raise some money for Power Zone Kids. All you have to do is tell the cashier that you're with Word of Faith Church, and then 10% of the receipts for that day go to Power Zone Kids Church. Stevie B's fundraiser cards are also available for $10, and they include some great offers valued at over $65. We've also partnered with the Kroger Community Rewards Program. It's as simple as shopping at Kroger and using your Kroger Plus card. If you'd like more information, please contact Pastor Donna Davis. And don't forget about all the great stuff we have going on here at Word of Faith Church, like the Remnant Seniors Ministry Bible Study every Sunday at 9:30 a.m., Power Zone Kids Church every Sunday right after praise and worship, the Edge Youth Ministry every Wednesday right after praise and worship, Aaron's Army Men's Ministry the first Tuesday of every month at 7 p.m., and Soulmates Couples Ministry the first Saturday of every month at 7 p.m. As you can see, it's a busy time here at Word of Faith, and more things are happening all the time. That's why you need to stay informed. So make sure you're here every week to catch a new episode of In the Loop. If you can't make it, that's all right. You can catch it online at WOFCIC.com or subscribe to us on YouTube, Word of Faith 00. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/WOFCIC for regular updates right on your news feed. And follow us on Twitter at WOFCIC or text follow WOFCIC to 40404. Be sure to stay in the loop all the time.